This video is to show you how to save your work and share it with everybody in your class period. So you go to your Edmodo account, you sign in. You do not need to sign up every time. You're just going to click login and put your username and password in it. To share your work, we're going to go to something called Padlet. The way you get there is by clicking the link on your Edmodo account. You click on the little icon or the link and it will take you right there. You're going to make sure you have three things when you're posting. You want to have your title of what it is you're posting, your name, and your class period, because you might be sharing it with another class and you want to make sure you put your class period on there too. So you're going to go and look at the assignment, make sure you have everything complete. For example, this one's in SketchUp. It's our 3D basic house. You want to make sure you have your 3D basic house done. Make sure you have all the toolbars you need by going to View, Toolbars, Getting Started, and Large Tool Set. Those are both checked. Complete whatever it is you're working on. And you want to make sure that you save it as you go along. So you click File, Save As, and you change the file name from Untitled, and you put a good description about what it is. Once you saved it, you're going to orbit around and pan until you get a good view of your assignment. And then you want to actually take a screenshot of it. So you want to go to down here in the search bar and go to Snipping Tool. And you're going to open that. And it's going to pop up this little box. You click New. And you take a snipping or a screenshot of your work. Now if you accidentally mess up and you took a chunk out of it, you can just redo it by clicking New. So just click New, try it again. Once you got something you're good with, you go to File, Save As, and now we're going to put it in our picture folder. Right? Before, for your SketchUp file, you're going to put that in your Documents folder. But this is actually a picture because it's a JPEG file. JPEG is the best one for Padlet. You can also use PNG, but it should default to the JPEG file. Change the name to what you're going to post it as. And click Save. Now don't close out everything yet. Click the minus sign or the minimize sign right here. Go over to your Padlet page. Bottom right hand corner, click the plus sign. And now we want our title, our name, and our class period. So our title is going to be our 3D basic house. And we're going to put our name. You're going to put your first and last name, and then your class period. Now we're going to click the upload button, which is this little up arrow. And we're going to click Pick File. Yours might be down here, but it might not be the latest one. So just to be sure, go to Pick File, click Pictures, and you can search it, or you can just scroll down and find it, and then click Open. Give it a second to upload. Once it's done uploading, and you made sure you have all three things, you got your title, your first and last name, and your class period, just click off to the side anywhere on the bricks, or whatever picture's in your background, and then that has automatically been saved. Once your classmates have also posted their work, go ahead and give them a like if you like it by clicking the little heart button down there. And if you want to share this with anyone, you can by just going to your Edmodo account, sign in, and click on the Padlet page. So that's how to save your work and share it with everybody. Good luck.